Well, there is a particular culture in France where they feed a particular bird and keep it in the cage till it bursts, and then they have it on the table. It's a practice. So one thing I agree with, that animals are sentient animals. They have sensitivities. They suffer pain. No doubt about it. All animals suffer pain when they are domesticated. I mean, just imagine, Millard, you see the kind of, in the old days, we used to go on Tongas, Millard, from the railway station to our homes, Millard. See the number of people who used to be on the Tonga? The poor horse used to sort of weighed down by the sheer weight. Suffering. Necessary? I don't know.